Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and welcome to another video with John Chow driving home. I'm still enjoying the my new Tesla Model X. Like I said, for most people, they probably can't tell that this is a brand new Model X that replaced my old Model X because, well, it's the same color combination, black outside, white inside. A few people has been able to find some of the difference. The couple of you shop eye viewer has discovered that, hey, look, it's carbon fiber instead of wood. So yeah, I went with the carbon fiber trim on the interior instead of wood because $250 extra for all the carbon fiber trim on the doors, the dash, and the back for $250. Oh my God! I mean, that's like if this was a Mercedes, it'd be like 2,000 plus. If this was Porsche, it'd be 5,000 plus. This Lamborghini would be 12,000 plus, and for $250, hey, can't lose. Anyway, I want to talk a bit about how you can get started in your internet marketing business. And it's one of my most common questions, like how do I get started? What do I need to do? And I can understand that because there's just so much information out there that people can just explode because of information overload. So I just want to break it down to a few key points to help you guys get started in your business. And the first one is, I would say, define your goal and build your foundation. I mean, everyone wants to just find something to promote and start making money, and yeah, that's all great and stuff. But keep in mind, you have to keep in mind that internet marketing, the majority of new people getting into internet marketing treat it like a game. They treat it like a game. They like going to a casino. You know, they think it's like, I'm gonna go there, play blackjack, play roulette, bet it on red, and hope I double my money. That's what they do. You know, I'm gonna find something to promote. I'm gonna buy $1,000 of marketing and hope I double my money. You know, casino. In actuality, is internet marketing is a real business. It's a long-term real business, and it's built like a real business. You look at all the successful internet marketers out there, it's built like a real business. They have a customer base, they built their list, they nurture the customer, they sell to the customer over and over again, and that's where the real money is. The marketing part is to get the customer. The marketing part is actually get the money. And the funny thing I should mention, like when I talk about going to a casino, you know, if you compare it, the casino owners are running the real business, and the gamblers they're the customer, right? And they think they can make more money. And if you look at internet marketing, yeah, a lot of people are being like the customer instead of the casino owner, right? So what do you need to start? Well, at the very, very least, you're going to need a few items. The first thing you're going to need is email list management software or email list management service, because the foundation of your internet marketing business is going to be your customer base. So, and that's your email list, your customer base, a list of all your customers. The bigger it is, the more potential money you can make. If you look at bricks and mortars business, the customer list is the most important thing. Look at Apple. You know, well, one of the big reason Apple is worth, well, not anymore, but one of the reasons Apple was $1 trillion company is because if you look at their annual report or their shareholders call that they do every quarter, one of the things Apple like to or show off or brag about is that they have over 200 million customers on file with credit card information. Yeah. Come on, 200, Amazon, hundreds of millions of customers on file on their list, right? So you need to build your list. That's the first. That's the first thing you need is email list management software. And I use two. The two I recommend, and because I use them, I did a whole bunch out there you can use, and whichever one you want, that's great. I use Aweber and I use Constant Contact. Those are my two. I've used them. I recommend them. They work for me. I have no problems with them. There are other companies like this MailChimp, GetResponse. I haven't used those, so I don't have an opinion on them. Right? But Aweber, Constant Contact, I endorse them. Right? That's the first thing you need. email list management software. Second thing you need is a blog. Naturally, you need a blog. I mean, my business was started from blogging. And so blogging, you just need a place to host it. In my case, my blog is hosted by HostGator. I've been using them, well, almost 10 years now. Love them, never had a problem with them. And again, I endorse them because I personally use it and I have no trouble with it, right? So, but links to all this stuff is below the video, right? So HostGator, it'll cost you like $5 a month, $5 a month. Email list costs you, first month is free, then it's $19 a month, right? So, and other thing, you also will need stats tracking software to track all the stats, because what gets measured gets improved. So when you're buying marketing, you're buying pay-per-click, you're buying advertising, you need to know that if this is converting, and that's where stats tracking software comes in. The service I use is called Trackerly. Trackerly is great. Trackerly, it tells me everything. And again, I'll link to it below. But it's like you get for a 14-day free trial, and then after that, I believe you can choose different pricing plan. And the last thing you need is what I call landing page or sales page creation software, and that's where lead pages and ClickFunnels come in. So ClickFunnels, lead pages, I use both. Either one works. Happy with it. I use ClickFunnels more than I use lead pages now, because ClickFunnels I find is better integrated with email and all the other stuff. In actuality, if you take the entire ClickFunnels suite, you really don't need an email list, because ClickFunnels includes ActionLearning, which is the email software or email management tool. So those 4 pieces are what I call foundation tools. You pretty much need all 4 to have a real internet marketing business. And yes, it costs money. I mean, yeah, it's gonna cost money. But compare that to the cost of, compared to the monthly operating cost of a normal business, I mean, this is nothing. We're talking like less than $100 a month, or $100 a month for 100 labor, but less than $2,000 a year. Less than $2,000. I mean, when I had a regular bricks and mortar business, I was paying over $2,000 a month just for rent. Right? I mean, so this is compared to a regular business. This is like nothing, minuscule, but compared to potential, how much you can make. Like my online business makes way more money than when I had a regular business. I mean, my profit was greater than the annual sales. And so it's insane. And this is why I like it. And when you compare the advantages, it could be compared to the advantages of an online business versus a traditional bricks and mortar business. I mean, I can run it from anywhere in the world. I can run it with a computer. It's open 24/7. I mean, whereas versus I guess a 9 to 5 for a regular business, and the fact that you have to work it, and the automation, everything, the entire business can be automated, so that you can basically live what Tim Ferriss 4-hour work week. 4-hour work week is based around the internet business, .com lifestyle. That's what it's all about, right? So if you don't have those 4 foundation tools, you need to get them before you even get started. All right. So all the other stuff will fall into place, like what should I promote? How do I write blog posts? That kind of stuff. And unless you have those tools set up, get those tools set up first. Then we can look at the other stuff. This is a marathon. It's not a race. One thing at a time, right? So one thing at a time. The first step is to get those tools. Then after that, you go on to the second, third, and fourth step. Right? Don't try to do all the steps all at once. Right? So I hope that helps you guys. All the links to my foundation tools that I use are below this video, so do check it out. And if you buy from it, hey, it supports me, it helps me, so great. Thank you very much. JohnChow@johnchow.com. Thank you very much for listening. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my video. And if you're first time here, please hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button. It helps me a lot. See you guys next time.